Marhaban, Ana Safa. Hi, I'm Safa. Welcome to my channel, Learn with Safa. In our Arabic Basics series, today we're doing lesson 2. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to ask age in Arabic and how to reply. Are you ready? Let's start. Kam umruka? How old are you? If we're asking a male, we say Kam umruka. And if we're asking a female, we say Kam umruki. How old are you? Let's repeat. Kam umruka. Kam umruki. How old are you? Now let's see how to reply. To reply, we say Umri, your age, and sanawat. For example, Umri, Ashra sanawat. I am 10 years old. Now let's practice with some examples. The first one, Kam umruka? How old are you? Umri, Ashrun sanawat. I am 20 years old. Let's repeat. Kam umruka? How old are you? Umri, Ashrun sanawat. I am 20 years old. The second one. Kam umruki? How old are you? Umri, Ashrun sanawat. I am 20 years old. Let's repeat. Kam umruki? How old are you? Umri, Ashrun sanawat. I am 20 years old. Congratulations, we have completed our lesson today. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for more videos. Wadan, Araka Kariban. Goodbye. See you soon.